Hello everyone, Alex Solanko here. I'm in Poland for Redbull Roofride, which is a gold level F&B event, and I'm about to go practice on the course. But it's a bit scary because look here, like I think it's like a 15-meter gap there, and people are up on the drop just looking down. Yeah, I'm gonna be up there soon as well and check it out, but it's a bit scary. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Looks kind of flowy though. Nice. Yeah.
Yes. Zapraszamy was tutaj.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh, cool.
The GP.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, I guess I just need to go for it.
Kan jag säga det?
Ja, men bra, Burma var det läskigaste jag kört.
Ja, jag bromsar innan istället.
Did you try this one?
Hmm?
Did you try this?
No.
Or is it like two pedals?
Two pedals.
No, or?
Es uno dos pedals.
Uno.
Yeah.
Uno pedal. Okay, fuck it. Wow. 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 Nice. Oh fuck, it was good but a bit scary.
Oh yeah, how?
Wow. So I've been doing some practice now, feeling pretty good on the course actually, but it's still unusual with the amount of speed you have, especially into the first one, and the airtime is just insane. But yeah, I'm gonna get to plan my run now, or start to practicing on it. Yeah, look at this. So huge. Yeah, I'm gonna just get up there, plan out my run, and then go for some tricks. I wanna do a fronty on the big one. That's gonna be scary. Okay, I want to front the big one. You chill. Wow. Oh!
Fuck yeah! Insane!
Oh, fuck, so scary.
Dude,
Oh.
insane.
Ah, so this is the second practice session of the day. Just taking up some stuff on the upper part because the sun is really in the eyes on the lower. But pretty cool. I did a free whip on a step down, which I'm really stoked about. So scary because the landing was pretty narrow, or it isn't narrow, but it felt narrow. But yeah, stoked. I'm just gonna try to do some more laps. And tomorrow we have qualifications at 3 o'clock. So yeah, just getting ready for that. Yes, Toby. Yo! Wow. Oh, fy fan. Oh. Fuck. Oh. So it's qualification day, it's Friday. Call is coming up in about 5 hours. And I'm gonna do my last bit of training. I don't know. Fuck.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's good? Yeah. Oh. Okay, stoked. I made a lower section for the qualis. Now I just need to land it in my run. But yeah, feeling good. Bit scared still. But I think that's pretty much what I'm gonna do in the qualis. Maybe add a can to the mirror jump. But yeah, let's wait it out now and go for it.
Teraz będziemy mieć Alexa Alanko, który w tej chwili zajmuje się zajmuje drugie miejsce w ostatnim hicie, więc ma już...
I czy będzie poprawiał swój przejazd, czy nie? No, o, jak widać zaczyna nieźle. 360 tailwheel.
Tak, jak zaczął też pierwszy.
O, po kork 7.2.
Tym razem bez problemów na zakręcie.
Bez driftowania w zakrętach tym razem. Bar spin i tutaj ten stylowy... I 360 double bar spin, czyli double track driver i front flip no hand potężnie wyciągnięty i backflip 3 z 3 barami i 720 kork, czyli zakończa swój przejazd podobnie. Wow, Alex Alanko tutaj poleciał grubo, no.
Okay, let's go. Yo, yeah.
I'll stitch
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very much.
There you go. Sorry, I need to go up and do some practice runs. I come back soon. No, I come back soon. I just need to do some practice. Okay, it's finals day. The crowd is crazy here, like so many people. And I'm about to go up and do the warm-up. We have about 40 minutes left until the first rider drop in. And yeah, I want to improve my run with some things. Hopefully I can make it happen. I'm just gonna have fun and vibe, I guess. Yeah, let's go up there and do some practice. Cheers. Oh!
Another Swede.
Another one. Alex Alanko now. Great qualifier from him yesterday. Sees him drop in second to last, 88.5. He's going to be wanting more here, though, in the Roofride finals. Big start.
360 tail whip on the step down.
Only just got back on. Oh, look at that, man.
Wow, it came round last minute. That was an opposite cork 720.
Oh,
great to see some opposite tricks with a trick like a cork 720.
This is why he's massive. The second qualifier off the flat drop now. Big 3-bar spin.
Keep going, Rob.
And it's a front flip suicide on the massive 14 metre.
Backflip triple bar spin on the boom booter. And a regular, yes, he stops it, a regular cork 720. Integrated with an opposite one up top. That's what the judges want.
Roofride is delivered here in Katowice, Poland this afternoon. Alex Alanko with a scorching run there.
Alex rides the Diamond Series events like Crankwork, so he's used to the massive jumps, but a top to bottom course that's plywood with all these different shaped takeoffs. That's unfamiliar for everybody. Watch this, how last minute this comes round. He's yanking on the bars to pull that opposite spin round.
You could see it, and then it was a matter of getting the bike there.
I know, so he's spinning towards his front foot, which makes it opposite, which is way harder, because when you spin in a regular direction but towards your back foot like that, your hips are already opened up in the right direction. It's easy to spin the way your body's pointing. Front flip tuck no hander, not quite the suicide that Rob claimed, but we've got rookies of slopestyle here. We also have rookies of slopestyle commentary.
Sorry. I wasn't too far off there.
Nah, everyone would take it. But
What's a suicide when the hands go back further?
yeah, you grip the seat with your knees and you don't tuck the bars into your lap.
Okay. Okay,
Right,
I've
you
learned
probably
something.
do them. Do you do suicide in the hands yourself?
Yeah, that's why I knew it. Yeah. I like to land them
Speaking
no-handed.
from
Actually. I like to land them no-handed, actually. Right, back to the serious business of Alex Alanko's run. But one of the big dogs here, really. Like you said, a diamond FMB rider.
Been doing the crankwork stops for a few years. The judges are taking a little bit of time on this one. Obviously, the opposite cork 720 and the regular one. Huge statement, really, to say, look, I can spin in both directions. Really complex tricks in all manner of directions.
Well, massive crowds here at the second edition of Redbull Roofride in Katowice, Poland. If you just joined us, I'm Rob Warner alongside Matt Jones. This man has just had a massive run. We're waiting for his score to come in. And it's an 85.12. Alex Alanko then going straight in a third place with that.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.